Good evening, everyone. I am Akshant Kumar from Kendriya Vidyalaya Danapur Kant first year. Today I am here to present my project for 29th National Children's Science Congress 2021. My sub-theme is Appropriate Technology for Sustainable Living, and my project is based on extraction of water from atmosphere. Pure drinking water and water required for daily life uses is one of the biggest problems India is facing today. This issue is not faced by India only, but the whole world. Most of the water is contaminated by sewage runoff, and a lot of water is present in air in the form of water vapor, which is also harming our environment as it is a component of greenhouse effect. The initial problem statement for our team is posed by this scenario, which made us to focus on extracting water from atmosphere. To overcome on said issue, our team decided to reflect the realities of atmospheric water generation. For this, our team studied the water contained by air in different temperature. And this water can be retrieved by condensing the water vapor into droplets of water using special prototype we designed for this purpose. One of the most important methods we use in this prototype is condensation. And we have inspired for this by a simple phenomenon we see in our daily life that when we pour cold water into a glass, then after some time we see that on its outer surface some water droplets get collected. That water droplets are nothing but the atmospheric water vapor which get collected in the outer surface. The main objective of our team is to make a prototype that will be affordable, able to solve the problem faced by people in daily life, easy to operate, effective, reliable. Our team is expecting the following result by the prototype. That the prototype we have made can extract water from atmosphere. If it can, then the water extracted from it is drinkable or not. This process is represented in this figure. Our prototype is consisted of a Peltier module, heatsink, fan, water block, pipe, copper tube, two water container, pump, and a power adapter. First, there is a container in which water is present and water pump is placed. Above that, a set of components is there consisting of fan, heatsink, Peltier module, and water block. All of them are connected by each other using heatsink paste. Both Peltier module and fan are powered by DC current. As Peltier module is heated at one of its side and condensed at another side, to escape heat, we place heatsink and fan at one of its heat side. And to transfer the coldness to the water, one water block is attached to the colder side of the Peltier module. The water which is displaced by the water pump is being transferred through the water block which just lower the temperature of the water. We will displace that water to the copper tube which hang on container tube and which lower the temperature of spiral copper tube which condense the water vapor on it in its surface and which will collect it down in container 2. In this cyclic manner only, we can collect water from atmosphere. We have done some optimization in our prototype that we had the set of device consists of Peltier module, heatsink, fan and water block and make it a simple pipe, and for cooling of spiral copper tube we put some ice cubes in water and use the same phenomenon used in previous one. We have done survey based on stratified sampling method of 100 people from our locality. We asked them for dependence of their water, drinking water, and got the following result. 62 people get water from government supply water, out of which 43 are using RO filter and 19 are not using any type of filter. And 38 people are using their own type of water extraction system like boring system or submersible, out of which 17 are using RO filter and 21 are not using any type of filter. By collecting data, by testing our prototype in different conditions like day and night in different days, we can conclude that we can extract water from atmosphere, and we also need to find the Pearson correlation coefficient of the data we want out from the testing of a prototype. For that we have taken two data for calculating that like air velocity and relative humidity and temperature and water generated. It Pearson correlation coefficient is nothing but it is based on a simple formula shown here, and we have found it that all the data we found out from the testing of our prototype and are lie between 0.9 and 1. we saw that there is a strong positive relationship between both the data and are directly proportional to each other. And we have tested the pH and TDS of the extracted water, because to determine that the water we extract is drinkable or not, and we have got that the water which is also under the range of drinkable water. We tested our new optimized prototype in the same condition as of previous one, hence it shows the same result as of the previous. And we can conclude that the hypothesis taken in the beginning of project stand true, that drinking rate provides suitable weather condition. The methodology of producing drinking water from atmosphere will be cheaper if we produce it in large scale. And if we produce it in mass scale and industrialize it, it will be cost efficient and make the water generated by it very cheaper. And some more optimization can be done in this device in terms of power, as we can power it with solar energy, which will make it a green energy based appliance, and which is the main focus of our team. And if we use this device in such places which are having low groundwater like Chennai, we will be very helpful. It will be very helpful for those type of places, and can be very efficient to produce a large amount of water in that places, as it is a coastal plain and there will be a lot of water vapor present in the atmosphere, and we can generate water from there. And thank you for watching. Thank you.